So the 7th week of the Great British Baking Show has just aired. It is dessert week. And for the signature challenge, they were given meringue nests, or specifically, it's 8 mini Pavlovas filled with 2 different fillings. So I'm going to make a coconut meringue filled with passion fruit curd and a pomegranate juice reduction. In the show, they were given 2 hours and 15 minutes. So let's see what I can get done in that amount of time. Let's get started. Okay, so dessert week is done and done. Pavlovas are finished. I did not fill all of them. I only did one of them because I didn't want the rest of them to get all weepy or anything like that. So I only did it in 2 hours instead of 2 hours and 15 minutes. So yeah, they turned out really good, real tasty. I highly recommend them. Anyways, so that's dessert week. Let's see what next week has to offer.